Welcome to this video tutorial for eTrip Agency. In this video, we will show the Options menu in a booking item. All booking items have an Options section located on the left side of the Product Details section. Let's look at these options one by one. The Documents dispatch helps you keep track of when you have dispatched documents to the client. The Show Supplier on Voucher is ticked by default, and if you untick this option, your company will be shown as the supplier on the voucher. The option to display one voucher per page will create the supplier copy and the client copy of the voucher on separate pages. Skip on Documentation will automatically remove the item from the invoice, itinerary, and any system-generated letter. Skip on Res Check will hide the item on the Res Check system. For transfers and other items, you will also see the option to display times. This gives you the option to display the booking item times on the voucher. Thank you for watching this video tutorial on using the options in a booking file.